you see this patent and if you are dealing with a substantive matter of a patent, what exactly it will like go into the details or how exactly it has to be taken care. So, when we are talking about definition and all other background, you are pretty well aware about, but when we are talking about a substantive like examination or a substantive subject matter, first we should know about a patentability criteria. So, what is the patentability criteria? Trinity of patent, we say that, yes, it is novelty, non-obviousness, and then the industrial applicability. Now, this 3 is very important. Then along with that, section 3, section 4, these are again very important when we are talking about India Patents Act 1970, right. And then we have to like look it into the perspective of a patent infringement or compulsory licensing or patent validity challenges, how this substantive subject matter or a procedural subject matter we have to take care in this context we have to focus on.